what trusted advisor actually means, and what Aristotle would say. There's a lot of buzz around being a trusted advisor in B2B sales. And there are many ways to define it. Here's a list of 6. Listening carefully, no happy ears, asking great questions to uncover challenges, being able to distinguish between wants and needs, helping to avoid potential landmines, providing ongoing advice, and referring to someone else if you can't help. These are all quite generic, so let's get specific. Being a trusted advisor means putting your customer needs first. And that's easier said than done. Let's say you're behind on your sales target and you talk to a potential customer. You discover that the product or solution that you're selling isn't really the best for the customer. It maybe solves some pain points, but it's actually based on what they told you, they should go with a competitor. Now, what do? Well, if this potential customer would be a family member or a close friend, you would tell you should really go with the other solution. Our solution is not the right one for you. But would you say the same thing to someone else you just had a few calls with? So this requires courage and sacrifice on your end as you, again, prioritize what's right for the customer, not necessarily your paycheck or your employer's bottom line, at least in the short term. So how does this relate to the Greek philosopher Aristotle? Aristotle once said, courage is the first virtue. Because without courage, no other virtue ever gets activated, like trustfulness. So it's very easy to claim that you are honest, but it's not so honest when the stakes are high, when it costs you potentially your job, your marriage, or money. So, and that is what being a trusted advisor means. What do you do when it really counts? Do you prioritize your needs or your customer needs?